New evidence in the election interference case against former President Donald Trump has been published in a court filing. Judge Tanya Chutkan, who is overseeing the case, has unsealed part of a 165-page report by special counsel Jack Smith. It argues that Trump's alleged attempts to overturn the results of the 2020 election were done as a private candidate rather than in an official capacity. The judge allowed the special counsel to submit the filing after the Supreme Court ruled that presidents are immune from criminal prosecution for official actions taken while in office. For more on this, let's bring in CBS News chief legal correspondent Jan Crawford. So, Jan, what do we know? What are we learning from this unsealed filing?
Well, I mean, in 165 pages, John, there is a lot here, a lot of it that we didn't know, including grand jury testimony that really details, in the special counsel's view, how Trump did conduct this private criminal scheme. And then he also chronicles why he believes all of this alleged conduct is not immune from prosecution, despite that Supreme Court decision, that landmark decision back in July, that presidents do have some kind of official immunity. Jack Smith is saying all of these acts that Trump is he's now alleging that those are unofficial acts, that those are acts of an office seeker, as Trump was a candidate, not an office holder. And John, that really tracks with the language in that Supreme Court opinion back in July, where the court emphasized it was not broad immunity, sweeping immunity for the former president. Presidents still can be prosecuted for those unofficial acts. They can be prosecuted for acts as an office seeker. Now, obviously, Trump is going to dispute all of this. He's going to say, I have absolute immunity. Look at what the Supreme Court ruled, or, whatever, in his legal filing. And then Judge Chutkan will take a look at both of these filings and make her decision on the scope of this immunity, what kind of evidence can be allowed. But that takes time, John. Election is just over a month away. As you know, there is no way we're going to have any of this decided before the election. So this case could well turn on whether or not Trump is reelected in November.
Jan Crawford in Washington for us. Thank you so much, Jan.